Welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be drawing Jimmy from Wild Kratts.
He's a really funny character, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he makes me laugh. And he loves to eat pizza. We're not drawing him eating pizza today. We're gonna draw him with a big bowl of popcorn and a soda. But if you want to draw him eating pizza, you could put a piece of pizza, I guess. So we're gonna make an arch right here for the top of his hat. And then it's gonna connect over here. And then we're gonna draw the brim of his hat, like that. And then there's a little line inside of it that we're gonna color kind of a turquoise blue later. And then we're gonna do an arch right here. Or a half circle, whatever you want to call it. And then 3 circles there, a little line right there, little line right there, and then 3 more circles, and a little half circle up there. So that is Jimmy's hat. Very nice. Okay, so now we are going to draw his hair. Okay, his hair angles out here, and then it comes back up, and then it angles down like that, and then we stop, and we'll finish the bottom of his hair in just a minute. Okay, and then from right here, we're gonna draw a line that goes just to here. And then right here, we're gonna draw his eyebrow. And then we're gonna draw his eye. So we draw a straight line here, and then a half circle that ends right there, because right here, his nose is gonna come over and down. And then we're gonna draw his pupil, and a little line for his iris. And then now I can finish off his hair next to his eye. Okay, so let's draw this curve of his hair real quick, okay? So we're gonna start right here, and we're gonna come down with one strand, and then the other strands go back, and then down, and then the hammock is gonna overlap it. So we don't even have to draw the bottom of his hair over there. And then from right here where his hat ends, just kind of curve it. And then we'll finish those lines once we know exactly where the hammock is, okay?
Okay.
His hair is hiding some of his eye, but look at this line. It's just below that line. So this is one of his eye lines, and then his other eye line goes here, and then it disappears under his hair. And then here's the half circle. And then you can draw. Oops, I filled that in, but that's okay. I'll just fill in the other one bigger. All right, and then his eyebrows. He has funny expressive eyebrows. This one connects down with that eye. And then he has some freckles. And then his smile starts right about here. Comes forward and curves back. And then his chin, just about right here. And then it curves up. Awesome, that looks good. And then he has little whiskers, which for Jimmy, they fill in, we're gonna fill them in red. And then his neck is right here. And actually these whiskers go over his chin. We had started a different one, And we had gotten to this point and I had to start over, and I told him if he didn't like this one more than he liked that one, that we could switch back. So that's why we're switching papers real quick. I like that one. You did a really good job. Okay, so now his hair, oh, you already did that. Let me catch up to you real quick.
I forgot an eyebrow.
Oh, okay. So the bottom of his hair is here, and that's all gonna get filled in red later. And this hair, there's some strands that you can see in it. Okay, so now let's draw the hammock, or at least part of it. So starting right here, actually let's start right here and come to that point. And then skip behind the hat and go up. And then now you can finish any lines. Oh, right here, there's a t-shirt, which you've already drawn.
Yep.
So there's the top of his t-shirt. And then now the back of the hammock goes right here, just to that point. And then it comes up behind too. And then it meets up right up here. Nice. That looks good. Okay, so now from his whiskers, you can draw a line for the top of his shirt. Why am I calling them whiskers? Because it doesn't really look like a goatee. I don't know what it is. So that's the line for his top of his shirt, and then we're gonna draw a bowl of popcorn here. So draw a big oval. Nice. Okay, and then behind the oval, we'll finish the popcorn later. We're gonna have his arm coming up. So we have a line going up.
Mine keeps on showing because... Look.
That's okay. And then now I'm gonna have the hammock meet up with the arm. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to draw his fingers. And then we'll draw the cup, and then we'll finish his sleeve. Okay, so we're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4 bumps or curves. And then we're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4, opposite of it. And then you connect them. And then this one, you draw like this, and then you're doing the cup underneath it. Oh, whoops. That is not the shape I wanted for the cup. This is the shape I wanted for the cup. But that's okay, we can do a design on the inside. Originally I wanted to do a swirl, but...
I think I will do the swirl.
Okay. So you guys can do the swirl, I'll do a different design. Maybe I'll do stripes. That works. And then the lid. And a straw. And then we need to show the top of his sleeve with a line and then 2 vertical lines. This is how you do the popcorn. You just do little curves. And squiggles. Nice. Okay, now let's do his leg. So the way we're gonna do his leg is his knee is gonna be right here by the edge of the bowl. So you do this little arch, and then his shorts are like a triangle. And this is going to connect with the hammock over here. Good. And then his leg is going to come right here and down, and right here and down. And then his sock, you do a line right here, then a little notch down, and another one right here, and then a little fold right here. And then the top of his sneakers looks like this, with an oval inside of it. And then the back of his foot comes down like that. And then forward, curved up, and back, and kneaded up. And then, I don't know why, but there's like an arch or an M right here. I would think it was a McDonald's symbol, but they color it turquoise. So then here's the sole with some gray. It's going to be right here and gray right here. And then there's a line along here and then some dots along there and 3 lines like that. All right, looks cool. Okay, good job. So now we're going to come right here on that side and then go up for the rest of the hammock. Nice. And then we need to draw the side of his popcorn bowl right there. And here's the other side. And then I forgot to draw the edge of his sleeve. He wears a t-shirt over a long sleeve shirt. So that's his t-shirt, and then here's the top of his chest right there. It doesn't matter.
Mine is
No, that's
higher.
No problem. Okay, so now his other leg shows.
Hang on.
Mm-hmm.
I still need to do where his body is.
Okay.
And then his wrist is. There we go.
That looks good. All right, so now his other leg, it's going up with the hammock, like that. Then his sock, doesn't really show too much, but then the top of his sneaker is there, goes up, curves back, goes back in. And then here's the sole. And there's not quite as many details on this side, but there's a circle on that side. And then a line along here, and some dots, and 3 lines right there. And then a line right here where the gray is going to be. All right, so now let's determine where the back of the hammock is when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay, cool. So the back of the hammock on mine is gonna come right here. And then cross behind, and me up. And then the bottom part of the hammock, we want it to cross kind of right here. And then meet up here.
Mine is too low for that.
No, just right here where his heel is.
I know.
It's fine. So just start here and go up. Good job. And then think about where it goes behind and then go up. Nice. And you can have like some extra lines in there if you want, how hammocks are. And now we are ready to color, and we'll color in time lapse, and then after we're done coloring, you can pause it on our example.
Thanks so much for drawing with us.
Make sure to tag me on Instagram at Sarah Hatch Art Studio, and that way we can see how yours turned out. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we will see you later.